All right, guys, Kermit with Quicktechav AV and Boss TRX here. Today we got some Oracle lighting upgrades for the TRX. We have a daytime running light kit. This is going to change the color of the daytime running lights. And then we also have a Demon Eye kit, guys. That's going to change the color of the projector lens. So stay tuned, guys. This is going to be powered by a BC1 controller. So we'll be able to use Bluetooth to control these lights. So stay tuned. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and pop off the grill, and then we'll remove the headlights and show you exactly how we get it done, guys. So stay tuned. Signing out.
Waiting to pass so I could get in behind them on the left lane. And then there was a big old Dodge dual. How long you doing this for? 10 minutes?
All right, guys, we got the headlight in the oven. So we're going to go ahead and wait our 10 minutes, and then we're going to use this flathead to go all the way around the headlight and pry off the back housing. So stay tuned, guys, and let's get this baby assembled. Huh? Yeah. All right, guys, we finally got the lens off of the headlight, so we can start pulling all the pieces off and figuring exactly out where all of our controllers and whatnot are going to be mounted. So stay tuned, guys. got blue. I got green.
Ooh.
Got red. And then if I make All right, guys, we got our headlight prepped, and I went ahead and installed the deal right here that controls the 3 boards inside of the headlight. I've already got it, you know, tied in the turn signal right here to the white brown wire. I've already got the ground tied into the factory ground bolt right there, and then I went ahead and ran a wire all the way over here that I'm going to plug in to the factory switches, those pink wires right there, and that'll get power inside the truck. I can cut it on and off when I want. So that takes care of the daytime running lights. Now for the demon eyes, I have this unit right here that I'm going to run to about right here halfway, and then I'll go ahead and tie it in with the BC1 controller, guys. So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you how it all looks whenever it's done. Ooh-wee. Took all day. It was worth it. And blue purple. Pink and green. That purple green sick. That's some Joker stuff.